Comfortable clothing, your ultimate guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and everyday topic that touches on our daily lives: comfortable clothing. We'll explore what makes clothing comfortable, why it's important, and how to choose outfits that make you feel good all day long. Whether you're learning English or just interested in fashion tips, this video is for you. So, let's get started and unravel the mystery of comfortable clothing. Comfortable clothing refers to any attire that feels good to wear, doesn't restrict movement, and is made from materials that are pleasant against the skin. Comfort is key here. It's not just about loose-fitting clothes but also about how the fabric interacts with your body, how well the clothing is made, and whether it suits your body type. From soft cotton t-shirts to elastic waistbands, comfortable clothing adapts to your lifestyle, not the other way around. You might wonder, why does comfort even matter? Well, wearing comfortable clothing has a significant impact on your overall well-being and productivity. Clothes that don't pinch, bind, or chafe allow you to move freely and focus on your tasks without distractions. Moreover, comfortable clothing can boost your confidence and mood, making you feel relaxed and at ease in any situation. Selecting comfortable clothing might seem straightforward, but there's a bit more to it. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Fabric choice. Look for natural fibers like cotton, bamboo, or linen. These materials are breathable and gentle on the skin. Fit. Ensure the clothes fit well. They shouldn't be too tight or too loose. The right fit offers freedom of movement without sacrificing style. Activity appropriate. Consider the day's activities. For example, stretchy fabrics are great for exercise, while softer, looser garments might be better for lounging at home. It's easy to get caught up in fashion trends, but comfort should never take a back seat. Always prioritize how you feel in your clothing over the latest trends. Remember, the best outfit is one that combines style with comfort, allowing you to express yourself while feeling great. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance of comfortable clothing and how to choose the right pieces for your wardrobe. Remember, the goal is to feel good in what you wear, as it can significantly affect your mood and confidence. Don't forget to listen to your body and choose clothing that reflects your needs and personal style. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found these tips helpful. Stay comfortable and stylish.